Hi everyone, so we're back with another video today. I'm sorry it's been a few days, but we've been really busy. So today we're going to learn how to draw these super cute llamas. So we have Karen and Kurt the llama that I drew. Millie has a different name for them though. So this is Moira and this is Dahi. And this is Millie's one, and he's got tattoos, or she's got tattoos and everything on her, and a flower crown as well on her hair, and her name is Liz. And this is Luke's one, which is super cool. What's his name, Luke? Harry Potter llama. So you could actually even give him a Gryffindor scarf, but Luke went for a skull scarf instead. Very original. Okay, I'm handing the camera over to Millie and we're going to get started. Right. So the first thing you need to do with your llama is give it its crazy hair, and llamas have magnificent fringes. So I'm going to start with a little kind of a zigzag at the top, and then I'm going to come and feather it down on either side like this. And that's the start of my llama's crazy hair, but you could give it a Mohican or whatever you want. Just watch how we draw it first and then you can see how to do it. So the next thing our llama needs is some ears. So llamas, we just found out, have bunny ears, but if you wanted to draw an alpaca, you just make the ears a little bit smaller and it's an alpaca. That's the main difference between them apparently. Okay, so I've got my bunny ears on either side and I've kind of made them a little bit furry, and I've also given them an inside. All right, next thing we're going to do is our llama's nose. So see the width between the ears up here? We're going to draw a little line coming down on either side around that width like this, and then we're going to come out for a nostril on either side, and then we're going to come in again to do the bottom of his nose. So the next thing we need to do is actually give him his nostrils. So I'm going to do one here, one here. Llamas have pretty big nostrils, so we're going to kind of fill them in a bit like this.
Looks like a mustache.
Looks a bit like a mustache or a ladybird maybe. And then we're going to do the line in here for the middle of his nose. And then we're going to give him a mouth. Now, if you look at my Dahi one, or Mora one, or whoever Millie thinks it is, we gave him some teeth. So you can give him teeth if you want, but you don't have to give him teeth. You can give him no teeth. So this one is going to have no teeth. So I've got his mouth open, so I'm just filling in his mouth bit.
Do you leave a bit white?
Yeah, little highlight, and I'm going to give him his bottom lip, which seems pretty big, but that's kind of his chin as well. The next thing we're going to do is go up here, and we're going to draw a circle on either side of his nose, and that's going to be his eyes. Now, llamas have huge eyes, so we're going to put in our highlights. So I've kind of gone for a half moon shape in a circle. I'm filling the rest in black, but you could equally do a little bit of brown if you wanted. Okay, do this one. And then the other thing llamas have is eyelashes. Even the boys have incredibly long, beautiful eyelashes. So we're going to pop those in too. And then we're going to give them their eyelids. So one there, one there, and then a kind of a bottom one that comes out with a few eyelashes on either side there. So he's nearly finished. Next thing we need to do is his little cheek. So we're going to kind of feather it down, come in a bit just below his chin, and then go straight down with feathers for his neck. And then you get to the fun bit. So we're going to design this guy. What's he going to have? First of all, I think you should be eating maybe a lollipop, because who doesn't enjoy a lollipop in the sunshine? And I'm going to give my lollipop a little highlight.
He's eating it the wrong way around.
Oh, he is eating it the wrong way around. Okay, maybe he just doesn't know how to eat lollipops. Maybe you shouldn't do a lollipop that way. Definitely don't do what I did, but it's a bit funny. What else could he have? He could have some earrings if he wanted. He could put some earrings on. He could have some magnificent glasses. I'm going to give him a pair of giant glasses, kind of like the ones I wear.
Give him pigtails.
No, he can't have pigtails. What do you think he should have, Luke? Maybe he's a llama that needs to go to work today. So he needs a shirt.
And a
Put a
tie.
pilot cap on.
A pilot cap. And he's going to...
He could be a ship pilot.
Oh, he could be. But at the moment, I think he's going to go on telly. Maybe he's on the news because
Give him arms there.
he doesn't know how to eat lollipops. Who knows? Actually, I think he's kind of quite narrow here, so maybe he could be wearing a suit jacket like this. So once you get to this stage, you just design your llama as crazily as you want. And please share them with us because we would love to see them. And we've got 2 requests in for this week. But if anyone else wants to send in some, we'll try and get through them. Okie doke, guys. Bye-bye.